What doesn't change about the business model for lawyers is that they have to get the work. That's number one. You've got to get the talent to do the work. You've got to do the work and bill for it, and then you've got to collect. That's the basic business model. That doesn't change. Somebody used the phrase rinse and repeat. Rinse and repeat. That's the business model. There's a lot that's changing in today's world, pushed a lot by technology. We've become much more efficient, and there are studies today that are talking about, thinking about, and exploring how to make us even more efficient. One such study I heard about not long ago was how the eye moves, where the eye moves on the screen, for example, when people type, so that documents and things that we look at should be better placed to shorten the time that we spend doing those processes. I mean, that's kind of an extreme, in my opinion, but it's just evident to me of how technology continues to change and advance our ability to do what we do more efficiently and more effectively. Another thing that technology has advanced is the sophistication of our clients. Many times the clients will do research on the internet and come in with several options on how to deal with their particular matter. They've already reviewed it, they've already studied it, and they're sophisticated, and they understand. They'll have a much better dialogue with us and help us help them more quickly and more effectively. So that's the technology. Another thing that's changed, at least in the last couple of years, is that with the financial upheaval in our world, clients are more willing to push back. They're not willing to accept the fees that we have billed them, the automatic increases in rates each year of 3 to 7 or 8%. They're not willing to accept that anymore. Another factor is the competition. Because there is this pushback by more clients than ever before, there's a competition now amongst law firms to get the business in order to maintain the stature and the size that they've achieved over the last few years. So these are two major factors, the technology and the billing process, that have really upset the apple cart. Now, there's an argument amongst many today that this is just a cycle. We're going to go back to the way it was. Some say, no, this is a sea change, and we're never going to go back. We go back a little bit, but basically there's been a major change in the business model related to technology and the billing principles and so forth, and the client sophistication. I think I'll take the middle ground. We have seen major change, but I don't think it's a revolutionary change. I think it's an evolutionary change. I think increased and more effective technology impacts every industry from time immemorial. And I think, though, that law firms being somewhat slow to adopt to the technology, we are now being impacted, and we will continue to be impacted even more by technology as time goes on.